Well, we are at the compound yet again. This time, Mr. Nico wanted to come out. He felt left out. How much power do you think it makes?
Like maybe 210, 220.
How much do you think it weighs?
Probably like 2,200.
Okay.
2,300.
What do you got for angle kit?
I got the Wolfgang Dead knuckles, extended lower ball joints, S13 tie rods, and rack spacers.
Nice, man. Nice little Terpsky. What size is that?
It's like a 60, 48. It's a T3.
Hell yeah. How much boost are you running through it?
I'm on 11 pounds.
Okay, okay. Likes to party. Mr. Nico with his 500 tires as usual. You ready to party, dude?
Always.
Yeah, buddy. He brought a helmet because he's a nerd. I'm just kidding.
You never know, bro. You never know.
You lost your head strap, didn't you?
Huh?
Did you lose your head strap
Dude,
for the
honestly,
GoPro?
I might not run a helmet today because
Okay, that's more like it.
you're talking me out of it.
That's right. Dude, we die like men out here, man. Got the Camaro ready. Just bringing one set of tires as usual. 90-minute drive, one set of tires. Mr. Dave and me. Is this considered a new Edge or is this an SN95?
This is a new Edge,
Okay.
but they share the same parts with all SN95s.
Okay.
Except for, like the motor and transmission.
People were flaming me for saying SN195 last time.
It's next generation. It's like
What does this thing have for angle?
It's got the Detroit drifting angle kit on it. It gives you like 60
Dang.
plus degrees.
That's pretty dope.
It's not a whole lot.
That's
Like,
really good.
I mean, it's a
60
lot.
is a lot.
For just knuckles and lower control arms. It's
Yeah.
pretty good. Really.
The Camaro gets a shit ton.
Oh, dude, you can get like
Yeah.
crab walk down the road.
Yeah.
But, like check out this absolute powerhouse right here. All
Stock 2-valve?
yeah, all 220 horsepower maybe.
Have you put it on the scales to see how much it weighs?
No. Nope.
I'm curious what it weighs.
Probably like 35.
Dude, this thing is quick in drift though.
Yeah, it's because it's got a 327 rear gear and it's a 5-speed, so second is like long.
Do you like this or the Miata better?
Miata, I'm sorry.
Yeah?
Okay. I can't get away from Miatas.
You gonna bring that back out?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah?
K
Awesome.
swapping it. I'm waiting for K Power.
Okay.
Hello, K Power.
Hell yeah.
Been waiting like 3 months for my stuff. I know you're busy, but please.
Send this man his kit. Cool, so we're gonna go out, letting the Camaro cool down. It gets pretty hot. And then we're probably just gonna do 4-car tandems all day, so should be a party. All right, boys and girls, we are at the compound following Mr. Dave. Nico, aka Hoon Garage, is behind me, and then Max is behind him. It is going to be freaking wild. I'm kind of worried about cars, but we're just gonna see what happens. I do not want to go off, because if we go off, we are getting stuck. Spicy. done. Almost crashed into you. You almost crashed into someone else.
Dude,
When's the last time you came here?
Like a year ago?
Yeah, mine was like 2 years ago. Still the same rowdiness. Dave, stop trying to Mustang, man.
It's in my DNA. I can't help it.
Max is out here sending it,
Mm-hmm.
sticking it to the boys. What a fun day, though.
Dude, we have this place to ourselves right now. It's
I know.
crazy.
It's pretty wild.
That's what happens on a Friday afternoon. Everyone's got to work.
Yeah.
There it is.
I want to hear limiter. No grip. No grip. Please grab on. Oh yeah. You're wild. This is wild. There's nothing on there.
Hell no.
This man just does not lift ever.
I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put my bumper back on.
Of course,
I wasn't recording any of that.
I got it in the car.
Bet.
Yeah. Guacamole sauce! That was so sketchy! Damn it. Damn it. That's my fault. Shit.
Did it shatter the glass? What happened?
No, it's not bad.
Yeah, you're
That's
good,
not
Zach.
bad.
I saw that. We good. He's fun, and I just couldn't stop.
Yeah, you're fine.
So I lunge on your door,
And it's just slow.
and then when I go to get on throttle, you're still slowing down, it seems like. So I should have learned from the first time, because that's literally what happened the first time, but my bad. We'll run it back.
Bro, you can pop that with the toilet bowl.
Just kick it with your foot.
It wasn't even a save. I was on brakes, e-brake. I couldn't go anywhere.
Bro, I was worried about your car, not Dave's. I was like, damn, that Camaro's nice.
Yeah. Really, it's just getting back on throttle as quick as possible.
I was just trying to be aggressive and on your door with everything.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what I was trying to do to him. It's no big deal. All right, let's run it back.
Try again.
Shit happened.
We'll get it.
All right, we're gonna go again. This time I'm gonna lead. Nico will be behind me, then Dave.
oh, you folded. I'm like, no, I'm just some
That
donuts.
was
They're
it.
like, oh, I get it.
You know what the title's gonna be?
What?
A Mustang crashed into me.
Oh God, I knew it. I knew it was coming.
Yes,
I knew
that's
it was
true.
coming about it. I knew. You just get
I love
super
that we have the
close.
2 spots too. That other
Yeah.
one, dude, like to connect that.
You
that
could. I was surprised that you didn't lap the entire thing. Like mine,
Yeah.
be the mile straight.
I was
and
out
then-
of tire. I don't know, bro.
That's a Nico thing to do. Is,
Look, all just the fucking tire smoke. It's like
Yeah.
glittering in the air.
wild.
Pink right now. Look at this.
I know. It's crazy. Such a pretty sky. Mexico is nice this time of year. That's gonna conclude this video. Shout out to Dave, Nico, and Max for coming out. Make sure you subscribe to Nico. He just hit 100K. Congrats on that, dude.
Hell yeah, dude. Subscribe to Zach too.
That's right.
We're gonna
Hopefully.
run it. We're gonna run the streets tonight.
That's right, man.